Hello student, good morning. I hope you all will be safe and sound. So as we are discussing about the mineral and power resources, in this one we have discussed about the mineral resources. Now we will talk here about the power resources, and in this one we have also talked about the conventional sources of energy. In this one that hydel power, we are going to explain what they have given under this one. Rainwater or river water stored in a dam is made of fall from heights. So what used to happen? The water is stored by making the dams. After this one, what used to happen? This water mainly, after storing, it is made of to fall from the height. Okay, the falling water flows through the pipes inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. And when this water is mainly just fall from the height, so at the bottom there are some blades, turbine blades. So when this particular water just fall on the blades, these turbine blades used to move. Okay, then moving blades then turns the generator to produce electricity. Then these after this one, when these turbine blades are moving, so what used to happen then? It turn into the generator generate to produce the electricity. This is called hydroelectricity, and this is known as hydroelectricity. The water discharged after the generation of electricity is used for irrigation, and whatever the water after generating electricity, this water is also used for irrigation and for the agriculture purposes. 1/4 of the world's electricity is produced by the hydel power, as you all know that, and there are many dams in our country and even in all over the world where this particular water is used for the different purposes. Okay, then what they have given after this one, see, the leading producer, 1/4 that has been discussed, the leading producer of hydel power in the world are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, China. Okay, these are the leading producer of generating the hydroelectricity. Some important hydel power stations in India are Pakhra Nangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjun Sagar, and Damodar Valley projects. Okay, these are the other projects in our country which used to produce the which used to generate the electricity. And the left side, some facts they have given here. Norway was the first country in the world to develop hydroelectricity. Here at the left side, you can see, and then the site of the world's first solar and wind powered bus shelter in the Scotland. Now, we will come to know about the non-conventional sources of energy. What are the non-conventional sources of energy? These are with the help of the science, with the help of the technologies. Whatever the power resources is being developed recently or nowadays, which is being mainly used for generating the energy. What they have given here, the increasing use of fossil fuels is leading to its shortage, and it is estimated that if the present rate of consumption continues, the reserve of these fuels will get exhausted. Mean to say, whatever the fossil fuels, whatever the conventional sources of energy you are having, if the same rate, if you are just consuming these all the things, definitely it will decrease and it will get exhaust. Then, moreover, their use also causes environmental pollution. As we all know that these conventional sources of energy, it also produce the pollution. Then, therefore, there is a need for using non-conventional sources of energy such as solar, wind, tidal, and which are renewable. So that is why which the sources, power resources, which can be renewed and which is not harming the environment. So these all of the energy resources are being used nowadays. That is solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, etc. Okay. Then first they have given here about the solar energy. Okay. What they have given under this one? See what they have given here. That is, sun's heat and light energy can be felt by us every day. As you all know that if you are standing outside in the sun rays, so definitely we feel heat as well as light. Solar energy trapped from the sun can be used in solar cells to produce electricity. You might have seen the solar plates by that with the help of these plates, when they exhaust the sun rays, so it get heat and light it. So after this one, it produces the electricity. Many of these cells are joined in solar panels to generate the electricity. Okay, generate the power for heating and lighting purposes. So whatever the solar panels are there, so these are used for generating the power for heating and lighting. The technology of utilizing solar energy benefits a lot of tropical countries and that are blessed with abundant sunshine. Abundant means very huge sunshine, means in the tropical areas, mainly near to the equator areas. So equator and tropics, that is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So in these areas, what used to happen? The sun's heat and light is more. So what used to happen? These areas are having the huge amount of this one energy benefits with the help of the technology. Okay, solar energy is also used in energy heaters, solar cookers, solar dryers, besides being used for community lighting and the traffic signals. As these solar panels, these solar plates are also being used for generating, for just giving the energy to the solar heaters, solar cookers, solar dryers, and as well as it is used for the traffic signals. And here right side you can see the peak, and upside they have given one diagram. Here you can check that wind energy, tidal energy, solar energy, they have make a diagram. Just go through this one and you can also make this one diagram in your notebook. Okay, and after this one they have given about the wind energy. Okay, that we will discuss in the next video. Okay.